Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How we doing on this fine Wednesday afternoon? Ha! Yeah, right. Good morning. All right, one of those crazy day. Happy hump day. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. We're here. We're looking for momentum penny stocks. And again, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Let you know when we go live. Absolutely. Kicking it off is BDRX. Making a run here early this morning. Let's see what it could do. If not, put that on your list. Also, follow us on all social media at the Zen Zone 01. On Instagram, on X, on Meta, on all your social media. Come on. Hope you guys are paying attention to the market and the way the market is going down, right? All right. This is time when you accumulate. If you haven't accumulated and needed a chance to buy things at a cheaper price, this is your opportunity. Woohoo! BDRX. BDRX. Ain't nothing here at the moment. We'd like to get it over the top here. Need some volume up 45%, no? Need a continuation. Big candle here. You know we're gonna have some trouble up here, right? Next resistance. We're gonna need a whole lot of volume to get to this level here, right? We're gonna have a lot of problem. We need lots of volume to push us higher here. We'll keep an eye on that. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. It's on the list. HOLO. We haven't changed trade this in a while. Can't even speak today. BDRX. Can we hold this here for a minute and see what happened here? BDRX. Let's stay here for a minute. We're getting some volume coming in here. Okay. Smells so good. Just a matter of time that build up get through there. Keep an eye on it. HOLO. Nothing there. BDLX. BDRX. VWAP bounce. BDRX. BDRX. LESE. Could keep an eye on that. LESE. LESE. You watch BDRX. LSE. LSE. LESE. Got a triple top up here. 17. 17. Keep eye on that. That's something to watch. LSE. LSE. I'll put it there. Put it on your chart there. Uh, Over 17, right? Watch that over 17. And VDL. Just going through some of these guys. New volume. 44. That's an ETF, okay? These are ETF. We got a channel here. We need a breakout through this channel here, 44, 42. So we in a $2 channel here, right? Breakout. We had a breakout here yesterday at 12:15. All right. So if this thing is going to break out through here one more time, that's where you would be. Okay. Yeah. Inside here. All right. NVDL. I know that's not a momentum mover, but there's opportunity there. There's opportunity there. ETHT. ETHT. That's another ETF. Gap up. Like these ETF is hard to trade if you're not getting it from a certain level. Like if you didn't get in somewhere down here, right? And now it's up here, it's going to be hard to trade these things here. Not much of it doing market open, right? And not much doing pre-market either. There's a gap up, but if you wasn't in it like a couple of days ago or say yesterday or today a swing trade, then as you could see, it comes down around this 550 area here, right? And then always go up, right? Look, it's coming down, coming up from 520. So if you wasn't holding on until this now, it's just hard to trade on this stock here, ETHT. Okay. BDTX. And again, Find these momentum stock, you just need volume. All right, 230. It's coming down now. See if it could get to the VWAP and bounce off here because every time it's try to bounce off VWAP. Let's see if they have enough on BDTX. 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 It's in the trade. BDTX. BDTX. Woo! BDTX. BDTX. It's got 453 million. That's the volume on that. 4.53 million. Spread is a penny on this here. BRDX is coming down to the short, guys. Remember this one, TRNR. 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 It's horrible. These stocks are not trading. Ebro coins always get rejected up here. On the 26th of last month, we had some great volume in there. 219. TRNR. 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 Watch BDRX, guys. BDRX. TRNR. More little volume in that. Where the pullback there. TRNR. Keep an eye on BDRX. Ooh, BDRX. BDRX. Okay, here we go. Oh, somebody got in earlier. Oh, come on. Let me get some of that. Come on, let me get some of that. Come on, give me some of that. Give me some of that. Okay, 311. Spread is a penny, guys. BDRX. Let's get. Nice. Come on. Rock. Rock, rock, rock. Come on. So we're gonna sit here for a little bit since we're in this one. See what happened. Somebody missed TR and R. We need a little bit more volume in this one. BDRX. BDRX. Come on. BDRX. Struggling to get up there. BDRX. TRNR, guys. TRNR. Building something there. Okay. There you go, BDRX. All right, BDRX. We're in a channel here, 10-cent channel, BBAI. There you go, BDRX. Having that partial run in there. TRNR. Also keep eye on TRNR. TRNR. Talked about that TRNR. I need some volume here. The volume is low on TRNR. So just be careful with this one here. Low volume. Let's be careful with that. TRNR. KC. 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 A big volume bar there on KC. Big spike here. Hardly any volume. More pressures to the downside here. I wouldn't do anything with that right now. KOLD. See what's going on here. To the downside here, KOLD. This is going to be a nice reversal on KOLD coming up. Ooh. Ooh, look at this level here. Trying to bounce off this level here. All right. She break this level, she's gone, right? Big support level here. Let's bring this down here. So we know between, and this on a 30-minute, right? So in between 19, about 1920 here, 1880, and then 1921, 2120. All right. So we know this level here, if she don't get any momentum, she's gone, right? Or unless she's gonna bounce off this support here, right? On KOLD, right? So keep an eye on this one, right? They've been trending in this zone for quite some time, for a couple of days now. It got up here on 312, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And today would make it 6 days that it's been in this level here. So if you're looking to trade KOLD, watch this level here. Okay. She's coming down. Below that, she's gone. And she need to come up here today in order to go long, right? 1963. Or was it 1962? Ah, we need that. So anything over 1963 today, big resistance inside this area here on KOLD. Okay. We're gonna need some volume to get to here. Right? Boom. TR and R pulled back. All right, so that's that. BDRX is sitting on the VWAP. Still in this zone. We need to break higher, low. LSE. Spread is picking up. 4-cent spread on that. LSC, the spread is 6 cents. Okay. 8 cents. 8 cents now. Okay. So then watch your spread. I'm looking. Moving, trying to find out. We only got one so far today, BDRX. Good morning, Rob.
Good morning. You got only one today.
Mm-hmm. BDRX. And another one was TRNR. What's
Oh,
the
that's your
opportunity
favorite.
on TRNR? BDTX. Still waiting on BDTX, accumulating on top of the VWAP there. BDTX. BDTX. You gonna hit yourself one more time? Yes. You got one more to go, right?
Is that typical? From the call, Jesse, in Norway, without being shot.
No. Use WhatsApp.
Don't you dare to call?
Yeah. BDTX. How did you finish yesterday, Rob?
But still red.
Two, not too much
Not too much. Yeah.
volume.
Yeah.
BDTX. In this volume here. HOLO. Nothing on that.
Yeah. Yesterday's SPY was within that range. It was pretty choppy.
Mhm. Fed funds today, right? News today, so they may have something going while the market is acting like this now. Target rate. Jobless claim is tomorrow. And existing home sales tomorrow. So those two are tomorrow. Jobless claim and existing home sales, and today the Fed funds target rate. So we're gonna continue to watch this market.
Is that happening? That meeting is happening at 2 o'clock today? Fed, is the Fed meeting today?
Yeah, Fed talk today. They didn't give a specific time on there, but I have to see it. What time is it? Yeah, 2 o'clock. Yeah,
Two
that's right.
o'clock.
Yeah. 2 o'clock for sure. So that's when you need to be out of the market and let them talk, and then after that, Rip City. No volume in this stock.
I
Yeah.
think there's no change in the rate. At least that's what they.
Gonna go red for sure. Going down little by little. Ready. BDRX. Okay, BDRX. Pumping again. So choppy up here now. I missed my entry here. Just choppy there. He wants to run. Let's find some support here. Uh, 8 o'clock. Okay, so 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. That's the move. There's more pressure to the downside on this stuff there. Yes. Keep eye on that. Let's move 8 o'clock. INTZ. Nothing on that. ATER. Nothing there. Not at the moment. RR. Nothing there at the moment. Anything over 214 on RR, right? BUZI. 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 250. $250. We gotta get over here, right? We need lots of volume to get that over here. We broke it before. 260. We need lots of volume to get in here. Right? Watch that. Nothing exciting about that one right now. But you could have it in your background. Keep an eye on that. Not enough volume for me to jump on it. Maybe right here would have been a great entry here. This would have been here and that pop there. Bam. Into the strength. Okay. But I wouldn't mess with this. Not enough volume for me to take advantage of it now. All right, keep moving. We're searching. CRGX. Nothing. Sitting on VWAP, CRGX. Underneath the 50 RSI. Big resistance there. ATER. Nothing there either. There we go. See if we could get this one to roll here. ADTX. ADTX. We creamed this one yesterday. Let's see if we could get some volume on this one now. That's what, 65.
Just a little bit.
Come on. Get that volume up. Come on. Right in between here. We need to break through this level here. We need a candle like this one here and we'd be good, ladies and gentlemen. We're having some resistance here too, so. Trying to take our money back from yesterday. It ain't gonna happen. Watch BDRX coming up to the VWAP. Pressure on it though. Come on, ADTX. Let's go, baby. Even if we get to $8, we good. That's about 35 cents. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I wanted to get it right on the VWAP right here. All right. But kill me a little bit higher there. 55. So that was 10 cents earlier. I wanted that. Okay. Let this develop here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it. ADTX. Come on. Let's see if we could get ADTX run now. ADTX. How many times? To try it out there, bro.
Yes,
All right, we're gonna watch this for a little bit. Let's see how it rolls. ADTX. Well, while that is going, let's look at some other thing here. Let's see. ADTX. So stop loss is gonna be underneath this level here, right? I'm not giving it any more than that. Okay. $0.40. 50, almost 60 cents. So risking 40 cents to make 60 cents. Okay. SCNX. This was yesterday too. Another one that we were watching. Another one we were watching. Same thing, just about the same thing too. It broke, boom, yesterday, pulled back. Now we only need this level here. Big support level. And, big support level there. All right, big support level here. Then we got a big support level here again. Right? So we know big support level, we need some volume to get through that. And then we got resistance. So you're talking about 80, this about 20 cents move here. right? 20 cent move to the next resistance here. 220. 30 cents, almost 40 cents to get through this range here. So keep that in mind. All right. We'll pull back a little bit on that. Pull back on ADX. ADTX. PRNR is breaking down. Get up here. We need volume though. Volume. Volume is the thing we need. Volume is what we need. Come on, ADTX. Let's go, baby. Give us a run. I'll watch that. BDTX. BDTX broke. Huh? BDTX broke, guys. Somebody. BDTX. I'm just saying BDTX. I missed it. Hope somebody have an opportunity. Hope somebody had an opportunity on that BDTX. We've been waiting on it. We've been waiting on it. Ah. See, these are the things I like, ladies and gentlemen. Into the strength. Boom. Out. Beautiful. She running now. There she go. That's what she was waiting for. Right? Next resistance up here, target. If anyone took that trade, congratulations, man. Good job, guys. Good job on that.
10 cents move so far. Yeah.
With the right shear size, man. Bam. You know? So like when we were green, you gotta take the opportunity to be green. You can't really sit in these too long, right? Here she go, ADTX. Let's go. So BDTX, good. BDTX, ADTX. All right. We got three. You got three to look at. BDTX, right? You got ADTX and ADTX, and then you have SCNX, at least for now. Off the bottom here. There's some resistance there. Okay. But there's some resistance here. So you could watch those three for now, at least for now. ADTX, SCNX, and BDTX. We on the X's right now. Man, I missed that BDTX. Man, that was beautiful. That's the only part when you sit and you wait for a particular stock and you missed it. Like, bummer. Ah! Those are the three for right now. I don't see anything else popping. I'm all over the place looking. MLGO. MLGO. MLGO off the bottom here. Big support level here. That would be over the top there, right? That's where I would like to see it. S, C, and X. Keep an eye on that. And ADTX, guys. Keep an eye on those. BDTX. Keep an eye on those. All right, that's all I'm saying. Just keep an eye on them. MLGO. HOLO. We haven't traded this in a while. Nothing there. It's volume in the market. XO, XS. It's an ETF. That's the only thing I don't like, the ETFs. They're so choppy, man. They untradeable. You gotta catch them low and sell high. Buy low, sell high, or buy high, sell low. That's the only thing with the ETFs. What? Still in that range on LSE, right? We're in this range here. Come on, talk to me, somebody on SCNX. SCNX. Talk to me if anybody's in anything. BDTX. Come on, guys. Uh-huh. There you go. Bam. 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 Need volume. There you go. Money. Money. That was the money play right there. Money play right there. Booyah. Booyah. Money play. We got two. The three we should be watching: BDTX, ADTX, SCNX. That was great, guys. Bam. Into the strength of that. I'm stuck like Chuck on ADTX. Good morning. Good morning. If you'd like to join us, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live. Yeah? Please and thank you. ADTX, come on. Can't go wrong with SCNX. straight volume into the strength of the stop. Boom. I wonder what ADTX is waiting on. Volume. It's just up 1.3%. Finish up 71% yesterday. All right. All we need is volume. Here go BDTX. That was one. That was great volume on the SCNX, guys. Great volume. And I'm stuck here. Bam. Again, when I miss my entry, I don't chase, okay? When I miss my entry, I do not chase. Unless I got volume on my side. I got volume on my side, then I'll do it. But if I don't have volume on my side, I'm not gonna do it. I'll wait for the next entry. BDTX. We've been talking about this all morning. We finally got the break. Okay? As well as SCNX. All right? SCNX. 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 Rolling. And I think I'll be out of this one here. Still hasn't hit my stop loss yet, but I'll get it back. Some resistance inside here, right? We're having trouble getting through there. We're having trouble getting through here. All it needs is to break. We need one of those. It's getting rejected here. See? It's the rejection line here. Bam. Okay. Wow. BDTX. Here you go, guys. Two winners. Two winners. Bam. Right? That's a go. SCNX. That was a go. You get a nice candle like this one, you'll be great. We still got what? Oh, it's 30 minutes. We got a minute left on this candle to see where the next candle broke through the 70 RSI, pulled back. BDTX. She running. BDTX is running. BDTX. All right. That's it for right now. I don't see anything rolling right now that I could see be excited about in the market. above the VWAP. If you're looking to get in, you got to watch that $2 mark up there, right? Just be careful up there. Just be careful up there. That's all. Just be careful. Of 24%. It's building up some volume though. $2. $2. $2. Okay, come on. Let's go. Oh, come on. Come on. Pull back and pull. Pull back and run. That's it. It goes without me. Gone without me. That was it right there. That was it right there. That was that pull right there I needed. Bam! Oh, wow. I wanted that $2. It didn't pull back at that $2. Excuse me. But that would be my last trade here. Pressure here. So I gave back some of the money on this morning here. Hopefully not. Let's see where it goes. Some support level inside here. This is gonna be my last trade of the day. But man, wish I could have got that. It would have filled me on that SCNX there. SCNX. Again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for stopping by this morning. ADTX is gonna be my last trade. Again, come on to the Discord. Let me drop this Discord link in here. Come into the Discord. Come into our VIP. Come on. You know, this is what we do. If you want to trade with me, just got to be patient with this market. SCNX. You could watch that. We got some support inside here. It's just that we need that volume to take us higher here. So we're getting some rejection in this level here. This is where the rejection is happening right here. Inside here, as you could see, that was an issue yesterday after hours, right? After hours, it was some trouble here and then it finally break out. Hopefully I could get that opportunity here today, right? We finally break out, find some support here, and then we get that pump there. I've been holding it. I've been holding it. It tempted me a couple times to get out, okay? But if it doesn't break through here, then I won't be out. I would accept the loss here, right? We just need it to pump. We need there. 820. That volume. SCNX. Try to pull back to $2 now. It would have filled me right here, but I'm not going to chase that now. Okay, beautiful. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Come on. See? Patience. Patience pays off, yeah?
Nice.
Patience pays off.
Yeah, your stop loss is pretty good.
Yeah. Come on. Another resistance here. We got another resistance we gotta wait for. That resistance right here. That resistance right in there. You know what? I'm gonna take profit here because we waited so long for that. Didn't take it. I cancel it. Cancel it. So I'm gonna wait for this one here, see what it does here. It's gonna run. And just somebody took profit there. Somebody took profit there. So that would have put me into a loss if it would have registered on that one, but I'm gonna hold a little bit longer. And see what happened. SCNX is pulling back now to the VWAP. This been waiting up for a while to get cranked up. I'm gonna watch this here. Okay, this is gonna be my last trade. BDTX pulling back up 45%. SCNX is up 20%. And BDRX is up 33% and pulling to the downside. Anything on the 270 on BDRX. She made her run this morning. And there she goes short. BDRX. BDRX. Boom. Da. All right. So I'm gonna hold on to this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same channel. If you'd like to trade with us 9 to 12, come on over into the Discord and jump in our VIP. All right. Appreciate you. Rob, I'll see you. I'm gonna get
Yeah,
ready for
sure.
our next session here.
Yeah, okay.
The only thing I could say is to watch this. I mean, it's slow. It's just slow right now. Keep an eye on that. I'll keep an eye on it for that 9 o'clock session. We could get over 850. It would be good on that one. That would make the day. Even to $8. We got some resistance inside here. Right? Resistance here. And up here, there's some resistance. So we need some volume to crank this baby up. Maybe to the 70 RSI. And that's all we need, really. Damn, damn.
Okay, I'll see you at 9.
Okay, buddy. Let me get ready here. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you. Have a nice day.